Imagine generating leads while you sleep. Sounds enticing, right? In today's digital world, it's possible. Facebook ads can make that happen for you. Facebook has over 2 billion users. It's a vast ocean of potential customers. So, how do you dive in and catch those leads? Let's break it down step by step. First, know your audience. Who are they? Age, interests, and demographics matter. Use Facebook's audience insights tool to pinpoint your ideal customer. This step saves you money and time. Next, create a clear and compelling ad. Use engaging visuals and concise copy. Make sure your message resonates with your target audience. A catchy headline can make all the difference. Now, it's time to set your budget. Decide how much you want to spend daily. Start small and adjust as needed. Facebook ads allow flexibility, giving you control over costs. Then, choose your ad placement strategically. Your options include feeds, stories, and more. Experiment with different placements to find what works best. Now comes the landing page. Ensure it's user-friendly and matches your ad. This consistency builds trust and encourages visitors to fill in their information. Next, use a lead magnet. Offer something valuable for free, like an ebook or discount. This incentive motivates users to share their contact details willingly. Don't forget to track your results. Facebook Ads Manager provides insights about your campaign's performance. Review metrics such as click-through rates and conversions. Let's consider an example. Imagine you run a fitness business. You create an ad targeting young adults interested in health. You offer a free workout guide as a lead magnet. People see your ad, sign up, and receive your guide. They are now leads, and you can nurture them further. Recap: using Facebook ads for lead generation involves knowing your audience, creating compelling ads, setting a budget, choosing placements, designing a user-friendly landing page, offering a lead magnet, and tracking results. Are you ready to unleash the power of Facebook ads? Start implementing these strategies today. Your leads are waiting for you to connect. Don't wait, dive in now.